First, the elephant and the sheep. In some sanctuaries, traumatized elephants have bonded deeply with sheep, sleeping side by side for comfort and security. Next, ostriches and zebras. They team up in the wild. Ostriches have killer eyesight. Zebras have sharp hearing. Together, they're an early warning dream team. And the wildest? A lioness and a baby antelope. One was seen adopting a baby oryx instead of eating it, even protecting it from other predators. No one knows why, but it happened. Nature isn't all tooth and claw. Sometimes it's loyalty, teamwork, and peace. Follow for more wild connections you didn't expect.